Before starting, we will go to our chairman of ASM India chapter, Mr. Sudhakar Bondeji. Bondeji, welcome here. And please go ahead with the information about the ASM India chapter and the activities we do before we start. So
Thank you,
over to
Sandeep.
Sudhakarji.
Yeah, thank you, Sandeep. I welcome you all for this today's webinar in the series of treatment. My job right now is to invite you to join ASM International India chapter, and I'll tell you why you should join and why you should not hesitate to not to join. The first thing is it is basically this chapter is a very dynamic chapter, and you can derive all the benefits of ASM International. We have the good source of library, and we have all the material reviewed by the peers in the field. So that is one of the aspects, and you get the international connection also. We have the membership around 250 right now, and we are interested. We are trying to cross 300 by this year end, means by this June. So you have to help me out. I appeal all of you to join this August association and be part of it and derive benefit out of it. About our India chapter, I would like to tell you something. India chapter was initiated in the year 1979, and now we have completed 50 years of our existence last year. We have celebrated that. So you can see the continuity of our organization, and our programs are varied. The different fields, failure analysis, material characterization, and you name the metallurgical and material science thing, we are already in that. Our material advantage chapter, which 31 students and faculty has been already installed at Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. This was one of our achievements this year. The second achievement is we'll be starting MSc in Material Science in collaboration with Mumbai University, and a proposal is pending before Senate, and it can get approved anytime within this month. So because of the exam, that is getting delayed. So this is a very good announcement. Those people who are science graduate or diplomas or other people who want to enter into material science, they can laterally enter into material science field by joining this program, which is offered by the Mumbai University. That is another offering where we'll be doing. Moreover, I'd like to tell you that we are the members of number of international associations. The prominent is IFSTC, International Forum of Treatment and Surface Engineering, headquartered at Switzerland. So there you can get a lot of material, lot of exchange of information, and our exposure to the international arena. Another important membership is SIDM, Society of Indian Defense Manufacturers, wherein members like Godrej, L&T, Mahindra, Bharat Forge, Defense Ministry, and defense manufacturers from public sectors, along with lot of MSME players. So it is an association of particularly specialized in defense manufacturing. Another one is Indian Merchant Chamber, which everybody knows about. That it is a general association. And last but not the least, it is Vigyan Bharati, which is mainly specialized in archaeometallurgy knowledge, and which is particularly concentrating on the Indian heritage. So these are the four associations which are the part of it, and we can indirectly get benefit once you become member of ASM International. Recently, we have procured one. We acquired the premises in Bhandup to able to shift us within 3-4 months of time. Because of the lockdown, it is getting delayed. We have acquired around 800 square feet place for our chapter office, and it will be operative by this once the lockdown is over. With this, so we have a lot of things to offer to you. So I earnestly request that some people who are not a member, they can join as a member. The organization which are not a member, they can join as a corporate members and get the benefit and get associated with it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to Sandeep again.